Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to review the AKK AIO-SA FPV camera. In this video I'm going to go through its features, compare it side by side with the Ishin TX05, and in the end of this video I'm going to take both cameras outdoors to see how they perform. Inside the box we get in the camera, a JST adapter for the battery, and also the instructions manual. The camera itself features a dipole antenna. The working voltage is between 3.2 to 5.5 volts. It supports 40 channels, and the output strength can be configured between 25, 50, 100 and 200 milliwatts. It also enables you to connect an OSD. Over here we have the video out and the video in. Currently they are bridged. If you want to use a flight controller that supports video out and video in, just remove this yellow cable and then you can connect the video out of the flight controller to the green wire and the video in to the yellow wire. In addition, this camera features a smart audio configuration. The black wire is the ground and this red wire is not plus 5 volts. If you want to control the output strength and the channel and band of this camera, you can connect it through the UART of your flight controller. I've done it on another video and I'm going to put a link over here so you can click it and see how to configure this camera in a similar manner. The weight of the camera is 4.85 grams. By trimming some of the wires, you can probably get to about 4.7 grams. The weight of the TX05, for example, is 4.55 grams, so it's a little bit lighter, but again, by trimming some of the wires, you can probably shave off some weight. The front dimensions of the camera are 14.4 by 14.5 millimeters, and the distance between the front of the lens to the back of the camera is 16.3 millimeters. Unlike the TX05, which features a LED screen that tells you which channel band and output strength you're using, the AKK camera doesn't feature such screen, and configuring the camera is done either by connecting the UART connector or by this button over here and using these LED indicators. Short pressing this button is going to change the channel. When the left blue indicator is on, it means that now you are on channel 1. When you are going to press it, it's going to flash once, now it's on channel 2, and so on until you're going to get to 1. And then the blue indicator is going to be solid again. Changing the band is done by long pressing this button for about 2 seconds, and then the red LED indicator indicates the band that you're currently on. The top red LED indicator indicates A, then B, E, F, and the bottom one is R. Now it's set to A, and now it's changed to F. Lastly, we can configure the output strength. It's done by long pressing this button for about 4 seconds. Then you can see that this right LED indicator flashed. When it's constantly on, it means that it's on 25 milliwatt. Now it's on 50, now it's on 100, and now it's on 200 milliwatts. If we press it again, now it's going to be constantly on again. It means now we're back to 25 milliwatts. It's not a very convenient way of configuring this camera, but again, the easiest way to configure it is going to be through its UART, and then you can just use a smart audio in order to configure the band, channel, and the output strength. So the next thing I've done is to mount the AKK AIO-SA camera next to the TX05 camera. Then I took it outdoors and compared the video side by side. I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video, and I'll see you in the end of it in order to give you my conclusion. Overall, I think that the AKK All-in-One SA camera performed pretty well. I think that the signal that was received by the TX05 was a little bit better, but you have to take into consideration that the maximum output strength of the TX05 is 250 milliwatt, whereas the AKK camera only outputs at 200 milliwatts. It's not such a big difference, but it can still make a little bit of a difference. In addition, both cameras allows it to use OSD. Also, the TX05 has a video in and video out option, but the major difference is that the AKK camera features smart audio, whereas the TX05 doesn't. The biggest difference, in my opinion, is actually the selling price point. The TX05 goes for about $25, whereas the AKK camera sells for $14, which is a big difference in my opinion, and also something to take into consideration. As always, I thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and you find it useful. If you have any questions about these cameras, feel free to ask it in the comment section below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and you're more than invited to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.